Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell about how to use I am here or how to use I am with you, like that. Okay. Come to the point. Let's start this video. How to say I am in a simple way. You can use phrases like, for example, I am with you, right? And then I am very shy, I am very eager, I am very hungry, I am very bright, and moreover, I am very serious. In these sentences, we can use with the slide by slide. You have to practice at home and then learn English with easy way. Let's continue our example. I am with you. We can use like this, I am with you. And then another one is there, that is I am very shy, I am very shy. And then I am very eager, I am very eager. You have to pronounce like this. And then I am very hungry. You can use I am very hungry, use as I am. Okay. And then another one sentence is there, that is I am very bright, I am very bright. And then another one sentence is there, that is I am very serious, I am very serious. You can use I am with a sentence like this. I hope you all understand this video and make it use as. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all like it and give one like, share, subscribe and support to my channel. Thank you so much.